another Raccoon Pro demo for you. This one is red coconut tail to silver plum and red dahlia. This is 42 shots, 26 seconds. Product number is RA143008. We are skipping 07 because it's a Nishiki, and if you guys have been watching, the Nishikis on these raccoons have been pretty crazy. I've got a lot of dry grass, dry wood, a lot of dry stuff around me, so we're just gonna go to this one. All right, we are doing Raccoon Pro Line RA143008. Alright, I guess that's the difference between 500 grams and 1,000 grams.